Hello, thank you for joining us today. This is Love Steps, a channel dedicated to helping you show love toward anyone and everyone you meet. While you are with us today, we want you to remember this one thing: love is the multiplying factor. Hi everyone, my name is Pastor Paris, and this is Love Steps, a channel where we show you how to apply the love of God in your life more and more each day. Today we're going to take a little spin on things. I want to talk to you about self-love. I want to talk to you about soul food. Love is food for the soul. Think about your favorite cooking, whether you thought about mom's soul food or Italian food or Tex-Mex or whatever you thought about. When you eat it, there brings a nostalgia there. There's a sense of just a warm feeling. Think about grandma's cooking or some cooking that brings a sense of just warmth to you. Soul food, health food, love food, memory food. Well, in the Bible, it talks about if you get wisdom, you love your soul. If you get wisdom, you love yourself. The best food for your soul, the best way to show that you love yourself is to get smarter and smarter every day. Not to be mistake-free, but to learn from every mistake and also to learn from every success. Don't let there be a day that goes by where you didn't learn something. Every day that you get wisdom, you show that you love your soul. You show that you love yourself. And it makes it more easier for you to love others. And the Bible says, love your neighbor as you love yourself. The best way to love yourself is to grow and to learn every day so that you can be the best you could possibly be. When you do that, you will show the world and yourself that love is the multiplying factor. Have a good one.